It certainly feels like Christmas in July when that delivery truck shows up on your doorstep with a new fabric delivery. Let's take a look at the summer 2021 shipment from Island Batik. Hi, I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. I was fortunate this year to be selected as an Island Batik Ambassador. These two shipments contain all the fabric you need for the designated projects that we make throughout the year. Let's take a look at what's in store for the fall season of 2021. There is always a surprise bundle, and I can't wait to dig into this, but this is coming up later in the year, so we'll just keep that under wraps for a little while longer. I have a lovely selection from the Foundations line. The Island Batik Foundations are fabrics that are always available. They are not specific to any one season or limited edition line of fabric. So there are some wonderful prints like this Cheerio in navy. There are some dot sky. And of course, with True Blue, we have a lovely selection of blues. This shark is one of my favorites, kind of a watercolor effect with some of that texture. And then some gorgeous solids like this cobalt. Of course, I've got some other coordinates here. This first one is, I'm just reading off the tag, dandelion, so it's got some little flecks there. We have more of that dot sky, that's a lovely background. Charcoal has that kind of textured watercolor effect. Oatmeal is a nice, soft, creamy yellow. A more of the solid dark gray, and the cobalt in blue. So all of these wonderful blenders that I can use in upcoming projects. We also get a bundle of neutrals of gray, white, and black. So I've kind of dug into that one already. But these Island Batik solids are wonderful to work with. They give you that great batik texture and just some nice solid colors for your thread play projects or for backgrounds in your blocks. I have the wonderful corner pop tool from Studio 180 Design, and that will be a fun new tool to play with in that's for an August project. So coming up soon, you'll see my new quilt designed with the corner pop ruler. This is an upcoming collection by Jean Wells called Sticks and Stones, and I've got some gorgeous darks with this this kind of cream and greenish mossy color, and look at all those great textures in that. Or this is part of the Spring 21 line, Sticks and Stones by Jean Wells. It's shipping to shops in August, and you will see some projects coming up in September and October with these fabrics. Oh gosh, I am thrilled with those. Look at those great neutrals, kind of that mossy green, lots of different shapes and textures on those white backgrounds. And then the same thing with the darks. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. Hobbs Batting is one of our industry partners, and I've got this great package of fusible strips. So that's great for rugs and bags and totes. And I've got a project in mind, so I'll need some straps. And I've always wanted to do one of the jelly roll rugs, the fabric rugs that you can make out of 2.5-inch strips. So this fusible batting strips from Hobbs will be great for that project. More from Hobbs, the Tuscany wool blend batting. This is a blend of cotton and wool, and wool just gives your free motion quilting such a great texture. So I can't wait to dig into that. Sprinkles. This is a gorgeous, almost paisley swirl design, and I've got 6 yards of this. What fun. Ooh. Pretty stash builders. These stash builder packs are fabulous. 5-inch by width of fabric cuts of different colors, and so I've got some beautiful pink, green with black and white, and just a wonderful selection there. Each roll has 4 or 5 strips, so you can really have some fun scrappy projects with that. This purple collection is gonna be beautiful, so stick around. There may be some of these stash builder rolls coming your way in a giveaway soon. Aurifil has a treat for us. This is a color builder package of thread from Aurifil, and I have Sumatran tiger, and they are a gorgeous range of oranges, so I need to get a little bit wild there with a tiger themed project. Ooh, isn't this pretty? September challenge by Annie has sent me all the supplies to make a bag, and I've got some really pretty blue and yellow fabric there, all the stabilizer and accessories that I need to make a bag. So watch for that in September. More from Hobbs, lots of good stuff to play with. This is their Thermore ultra thin non-bearding batting. So that's always a important consideration. You don't want those little tufts of batting showing through your stitching when you do the quilting. So I'm anxious to try this product. Cotton batting, a queen size fusible, so that will be really handy for some upcoming projects. I haven't worked a lot with fusible batting, but it certainly does make the basting process easier when you have that fusible product. So stay tuned and we'll have a review of that project coming up. And finally, some 80/20 bleached cotton batting, and this white batting will be fantastic when you have those lighter color fabric backgrounds and you want that nice white color that doesn't show through. So thank you, Hobbs. This will be wonderful. I love using Hobbs batting in my quilt projects. It feels like Christmas, all these wonderful projects and having the supplies on hand. So let me know in the comments below if you tend to collect all the supplies for your projects up front, or if you just work from stash and make sure you have a good variety of things on hand wherever your quilting desires lead you. Stay tuned, we have more fun projects coming up soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.